Singapore's Housing Board is launching its largest solar leasing tender. Now, the agency wants to install solar panels across more than 1,000 public buildings by late 2026. The project will cover flats in Aljunied, Hougang, Sengkang and Nee Soon, along with schools and other government sites.
This rooftop in Sengkang, fitted last year with solar panels, is among the more than 3,000 public housing blocks across Singapore harnessing the sun's energy to help power their lifts, lights and water pumps. In the next 3 years, the government wants to add to the count another 1,075 HDB blocks, along with schools, hospitals and community centres. The project would generate 113 megawatt peak of solar capacity, equivalent to powering 28,000 four-room flats.
On a typical basis, the common services account for about 10% of a total block's energy consumption, and 1/3 of it can be provided by solar panels, which is significant, especially in a period where energy cost is going up. So these are important steps, not just because of sustainability reasons, but also I think a win-win outcome for residents as well as the industry.
EDP Renewables APAC is one of the companies eyeing a bid. It's not a newcomer to the market, having won a previous tender to install 170,000 solar panels across public sites. Now it wants to go beyond rooftop installations.
We are looking at other available areas such as hanging solar in between blocks, such as testing out putting solar on vertical walls, so that really to maximize the very land scarce limited Singapore and trying to put as much solar into each of these housing estates as much as possible.
HDB has set a solar target of 540 megawatt peak by 2030, enough to power the equivalent of 135,000 four-room HDB flats a year.